Welcome back to another MiSys video with Brandout Consulting. Today we're going to be expediting and receiving RPOs. So once again we go to purchasing and we're going to go to expedite. So we're going to expedite our last order that we put in. And right here, current due date is the 25th. That's today. And there's the promise date. So let's say that we need to get it by Friday. What this does is it brings up all of our contacts information: email, telephone number, fax number, and contact name, so that we can call them and get that expedited. Once we do that, we hit set, yes, and save. So now we come up here and we come to receive RPO. So right here, if we click check all, if we have everything, we've made our counts, we know what we have. Now if we receive partial, we can put in here and say that we received 5. And we come through here, it will tell us, and we can receive checked. Okay, we can close this. Now here we should have 5 remaining. We've received 5, so we have a balance of 5. We're just going to receive all of it now. Receive checked. Click on OK and close this. Come over here, and now we're going to close out our PO. So if we have a change of price, we can do that here. We can also push additional costs, such as shipping. So $15 shipping. Check all, and we close checked. And now our PO is closed. If any of this was helpful, if you found any of this helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below if there's any way we can help you. Thanks.